morning students. Let's see the continuity of D blood. Today we are going to discuss some of the important bits regarding to colored ions and their compounds. Okay, so right. Which of the following is colorless? Is colorless. Option A, write the options. VCl3, VOSO4, Na3BO4, SO4.H2O. Okay, so V means vanadium here. These are all our vanadium compounds. So let's see, vanadium plus 2, vanadium plus 3, vanadium plus 4 shows color property in their compounds. So vanadium plus 5 does not shows color. It is colorless. So here VCl3 means what is the oxidation state of vanadium here? Plus 3. These are all, this one. These three are shows different oxidation states, V plus 3 and V plus 4. Okay, V plus 2. Okay, V plus 2, V plus 4, V plus 3 oxidation states here. But here what is the oxidation state of vanadium in this compound here? The given compound is Na3VO4. Am I right? So now calculate the oxidation state of vanadium here. So vanadium, how many vanadium atoms here? We have only one. So taken as X, where X means oxidation states of vanadium, and how many oxygens here? 4. Each oxygen carries -2, plus how many sodium? 3. Sodium carries +1, that is equals 0. Okay, then X, 4 into -2, then +3 is equals 0. X minus 5 is equals 0. X equals to how much? +5. Okay, +5. Therefore oxidation state of vanadium in 4 is +5. Okay, that means in this compound the vanadium is as V plus 5 ion in this. Now is it color compound or not? So vanadium, what is the atomic number? 23, and its electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d okay, 23, 18 plus 2 20, 23. Okay, vanadium plus 5 means remove 5 electrons from vanadium. Vanadium plus 5 means when vanadium loses 5 electrons, then it becomes vanadium plus 5. So remove 5 electrons, 2 electrons from S, that means 4s0, the remaining 3 electrons from 3d 0. No unpaired d electrons, am I right? Is there any electron in D? No unpaired d electron in 3d. Am I right? Clear? So this condition is colorless. Already we discussed about that. If there is no electron in 3d, or it is empty d orbital or completely fulfilled, then it is called as colorless. Okay. So therefore Therefore Na3V4 is colorless. Okay, clear? So in this compound here vanadium exhibit +4, here it is +3, here it is +2, here in this compound it is +5 oxidation state. So +5 oxidation state, there is no d electron. If you can check this V+3, it processes at least 1 or 2 electrons in their D cell. Okay, but vanadium +5, that means this compound doesn't process any kind of electrons in 3D. There is no unpaired electron, so it is clearly colorless. This is the answer. The remaining all are colors. Okay. So very important bit this one. Which of the following is colored due to charge transfer spectra? Charge transfer, already we discussed about the spectra, means it is combination of colors. Okay, spectra, what is mean related to color? Keep it in our mind. Which of the following is color due to charge transfer? So very important for JEE and also NET. Okay, so let's see. KMnO4 and option B potassium dichromate. Okay, and SO4. Okay, this is the complex compound where iron is transition metal ion. Okay, where H2O is a ligand, this is also ligand. Okay, so SO4 -2 and this one is +2. Okay, keep it in our mind. So KMnO4 D MnO2. So which of the following is colored due to charge transfer? Due to charge transfer. Okay, so KMnO4 or we have to remember MnO4 potassium permanganate, or MnO4 minus means permanganate ion. Okay, K2Cr2O7 or Cr2O7 minus 2. This is potassium dichromate. This one is dichromate ion. Okay, this is brown ring. So just keep it. We will discuss a bit again in nitrogen compounds. Brown ring compound, complex compounds, manganese dioxide. Okay, so let us come to A. Okay, so in KMnO4, what is the oxidation state of manganese? How many manganese here? We have only one, so taken as X. 4 oxygen, each oxygen carries -2. Okay, potassium, each potassium carries +1. Is there any charge on KMnO4? No. So total equals to 0. Charge means plus or minus. Okay, so here no charge, so keep equal to 0. So X minus 8 plus 1 is equals 0. X is equals to how much? +7. So what is the oxidation state of manganese? Here +7. So that means in this compound manganese +7. Okay, so let us take manganese atomic number is 25. Okay, so its electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d5. 18 plus 2, 20, 25. Okay. So now Mn plus 7 means remove 7 electrons. Remove 7 electrons from manganese. Then argon 4s0, 3d0. 2 plus 5, 7 electrons remove. Then 3d0. So Mn plus 7 consists 3d0. Am I right? 3d0. No unpaired electrons in 3d of Mn plus 7. I think we are expecting it is colorless. Am I right? Mn plus 7 in KMnO4 colorless. We are expecting. But KMnO4 is purple color. Actually, it unable to show color due to the absence of unpaired electron, but it can show purple color in KMnO4. What is the reason? So what is the reason? Due to charge transformation. Already we discussed about this. So the reason is due to charge transfer or charge transfer spectra from oxygen to Mn plus 7. Okay. So already discussed. So why it shows color? Due to the charge transfer, one electron from oxygen moves towards to Mn plus 7. Okay, clear? So what is the structure? MnO4 minus structure here. This is the manganese. O minus. Am I right? Here oxygen state of manganese is plus 7. This electron moves towards to manganese. Okay. Then Mn plus 7 becomes gaining of 1 electron. It becomes Mn plus 6. Charge transformation. So due to the charge transformation, what happened? Manganese plus 7 becomes Mn plus 6. So it has 1 electron now. So D transition takes place. So it exhibits color property. So KMnO4 shows purple color. That is the reason why KMnO4 shows color. Due to the charge transformation. Okay, this answer is correct here. Okay, what about K2Cr2O7? So K2Cr2, is it clear up to everyone? What about second one? K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate. Cr2O7 minus 2. Take this one. How many chromiums here? 2 chromiums. Taken 2x. How many oxygen? 7. Each one carries minus 2. That is equals to minus 2. Total charge equals to minus 2. Clear? Then 2x minus 14 is equals to minus 2. 2x equals to minus 2 plus 14. 2x is equals to plus 12. X equals to plus 6. Okay? Therefore, oxidation state of chromium in Cr2O7 minus 2 is plus 6. Okay? So let's see chromium plus 6 here. Am I right? Chromium plus 6. What is the atomic number of chromium here? 24. Am I right? Its electronic configuration is argon 4s1 3d5. Am I right? Chromium plus 6 means remove these 6 electrons. Am I right? Then argon 4s0 3d0. So in chromium plus 6 3d0 configuration is there 3d6. That means no unpaired electrons. No unpaired electrons. I think we are expecting Cr2O7 minus 2 is colorless, or Cr plus 6 or K2Cr2O7 colorless, but it shows orange red color. What is the reason? Due to charge transformation. Due to charge transformation. Okay, so this is also exhibit color. Okay, so what about this one? It also exhibit color in brown here actually. So let us see here. Take this compound up to. Okay, so for H2O, oxidation state is taken as 0 here. For H2O, what is the oxidation state? 0. For NO, it is +1. Now I would like to calculate oxidation state of iron. Remove this one. Don't consider. Take up to this one. How many iron atoms here? We have only one, taken as X. Okay. For H2O, it is 0. No need to take. NO +1. Here we have only one. So taken as +1. That is equals to, what is the charge here? +2. Clear? So X is equals to +2 minus 1. X equals to how much? +1. That means here iron exhibit +1. Okay. Here NO provided electron to iron. To provide electron. Electron providing means charge transformation. That means charge transfer takes place. So this provide electron to NO provide electron to this one, like MnO4 minus. So electrons moving takes place. That means it also shows color due to charge transformation. It is brown in color. So this is also answer. Clear up to? NO provide electron to iron in the third compound, so it exhibit color due to charge transformation. Okay, that one is brown ring compound, what we call it is. Okay, let us come to D. MnO2 manganese dioxide. So here it is X. 2 minus 2 is equals 0. X is equals to +4. Okay, so oxidation state of manganese in MnO2 is +4. Okay, so what is manganese? And its atomic number is 25 and its electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d5, you know very well. 18 plus 20 25. Clear? And Mn plus 4 means remove how many electrons? 4 electrons here. That is argon 4s0 3d3. Am I right? 3d3. 2 electrons here and 2 electrons here. Okay, 3d3. And then there is unpaired electron in d orbital of Mn plus 4. Am I right? 1 2 3. So it exhibits color due to unpaired electrons. So unpaired electron is present. There is no charge transformation. It exhibits color due to unpaired electron, not charge transformation. Keep it. Now which one is answer? So first one, second one, third one. Okay, these are the three answers why these compounds exhibit color due to charge transformation except MnO2. So why, how MnO2 exhibit color? Due to unpaired of electrons. But here unpaired of electron is possible, but here there is no unpaired of electron possible in d orbital. Okay, that is the reason. Keep it in your mind. Very, very important concept. Blue vitriol is called as, vitriol means the transition metals with or the compound with sulfate SO4 minus 2. If sulfate ion is present, then we call it is vitriol. Okay, vitriol. So blue vitriol is called as option A. That means option A, copper sulfate 5H2O. SO4 is there. So it is called vitriol. Blue vitriol means water molecules are there, so it is hydrated. Hydrated copper sulfate or CuSO4.5H2O. 5 moles of water is there. So water is there. Okay. If water is present, then we call it is hydrated. Keep it in our mind. Option B. Option C. Option D. CR. So which is called blue vitriol. So blue vitriol means here. So here it is all. So which is the correct answer here? Copper sulfate dot 5H2, 5 moles of water molecule. Okay. So why it is called blue? So let us see, in the copper sulfate 5 moles of water we have here. So here copper in +2 oxidation state. That means Cu +2 aqueous. Why? Because water content is there. So Cu +2 means what is the atomic number of copper? 29. What is its electronic configuration in this case? Copper and 4s1 3d10 has special electronic configuration, you know very well. Okay, 4s1 3d2. So now copper +2 means you have to remove 2 electrons. One is from 4s, another one is 3d clearly. Okay. So now it is argon 4s0 3d9. 3d9. So 3d9 means how many unpaired electrons are possible in 3d? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So one unpaired electron is there. One unpaired electron in 3d9 of Cu +2. So due to this unpaired electron, copper in the case of hydrated, it exhibits blue color. Clear? Blue color. So it is called copper with sulfate here. So vitriol we call it is. It exhibits blue color. So blue vitriol. This is the answer. Okay. So let's see. Green vitriol. Option A. Option B. Option C. Option D. All. So what is green vitriol here? This is the correct answer. Ferrous sulfate. Here iron exhibit Fe+2. Fe+2. It has unpaired electron. Okay. White vitriol is called option A zinc sulfate, option B ferrous sulfate, option C copper sulfate, 5 moles of water, D all. So which one is correct one? So ZnSO4 7H2O, generally we call it is white vitriol, that means colorless. Here you should keep it in. Zn+2 is clearly colorless due to the completely fulfilled d orbital, so we call it is white vitriol. It doesn't process color, keep it in our mind. Next, calculate number of unpaired electrons in Fe+2. Fe+2. Is it colored ion or not? This is the question. Okay. So option A plus 2, option B plus 3, option C plus 4, option D plus 5. Okay. So given ion is Fe plus 2, am I right? Fe plus 2. What is the atomic number of iron? 26. And its electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d6. 18 plus 2 20 26. So Fe plus 2 means have to remove 2 electron from iron here. So now this is argon 4s0 3d6. 3d6. There is 3 orbital is there. How many electrons are exist here? 6 electrons in 3d6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now how many unpaired electrons, that means single electrons, are possible here? Clearly 4 electrons. These are single. Okay, which is the correct answer? Unpaired electrons means remove this plus sign. This it is a number. Option C is the correct. So due to this unpaired electron, Fe plus 2 shows green color. Green color. Okay. Clear, ma? So write next second one. Which of the following ions are colored due to charge transfer spectra? So important one, this one, right? Option A BO2 plus, option B Cr2O7 minus 2, option C MnO4 minus, option D all. So which one is correct? Okay, already we discussed that Cr2O7 is methyl orange red color due to charge transformation. MnO4 minus is clearly purple color. It also shows due to charge transformation. Okay, BO plus 2 is also exhibit color due to charge transformation. So that means what is the answer? All. BO2 plus means what is the oxygen state of vanadium in BO2 plus ion? How many oxygens? 2. Each oxygen carries 2, minus 2 charge, then that is equals plus 1. BO2 plus means plus 1. So x minus 4 equals plus 1. X equals to how much? Plus 5. X equals plus 5. But here charge transformation takes place from oxygen to vanadium plus 5. B plus 5 means that is 3D0 configuration, expecting colorless. But BO2 plus is colored ion. Colored ion like MnO4 minus and Cr2O7 minus 2. What is the reason? Due to charge transformation. Spectra. Okay, like Mn plus 7 and Cr plus 6, like these compounds. Already we discussed about this. Same phenomena also here. It is pale yellow in color, yellow, orange, red. Okay, and what about this one? Purple color. Okay. So this is also important one here. And write next one. Clear, students, up to? MnO4 minus, what we call it is permanganate ion shows colors in its aqueous solution. Why? What is the reason? And it's provide purple color to the aqueous solution. This is the question. Okay, important one. So MnO4 minus provide the color to aqueous solution. What is the reason? Option A here, D transition. Option B, due to charge transfer from oxygen to manganese plus 7 or Mn. Option C, A and B. Option D, none. You know very well, due to charge transformation. This is answer, not this one. Okay, very important. Let's see ninth one. Okay, CrO4 minus 2. This is called chromate ion. On acidification, that means in presence of acid, okay, its yellow color changes to orange red color due to formation of option A, Cr2O7 minus 2 dichromate ion. Another one is CrO4 minus and CrO3. Option D, Cr plus 3. So which ion formed due to this conversion? The question 1C, CrO4 minus in presence of acid, which ion is formed? During this process, the yellow color of chromate ion changes to orange red color. What is the reason? That means which compound is formed here? Okay, let's see the corresponding equation. So Cr2O7 minus 2 in presence of base. This is base. It is at chemically equilibrium. That means reversible reaction takes place. Rate of forward reaction equals rate of backward reaction. That is called equilibrium condition. So it produces CrO4 minus 2. Okay, and H plus. Here it is yellow in color. It is orange red color. So chromate ion on acidification, that means in presence of acid, it gives orange red color due to the formation of Cr2O7. Chromate ion in presence of acid, it produces orange red color due to the formation of chromate ion dichromate ion Cr2O7 minus 2. This is the answer. Okay, so the same question where clear mark to this one. And next question, Cr2O7 minus 2, that is dichromate ion in presence of base. in presence of base, its orange red color changes to yellow color due to formation of, let's see, Cr2O7. Its orange red color changes to yellow color when treated with base OH minus due to the formation of chromate ion. Orange red color converted to yellow color when treated with OH minus. That means yellow color means which compound is generated here? Chromate ion. So what is the answer in this case? CrO4 minus 2. Here add CrO4 minus 2. Clear? This is the answer. These are the two important bits. And see next one. Which of the following color due to transfer spectra compounds? Option A, not ions, compound he mentioned here, KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, C, ferric hydroxide, D, chromium trihydroxide. Okay, so these are the four compounds are given. So which of the following compounds are colored due to charge transfer spectra? These are all exhibit colors, but which compounds are shows the color due to charge transformation? You know already. So here KMnO4, it exhibit +7. That means manganese +7, that is 3D0. Actually colorless, but exhibit purple color. Due to charge transfer. Already we discussed what is charge transfer here. And here chromium +6, 3D0, we are expecting colorless, but it exhibits orange, red. Same reason, due to charge transfer. Clear mark two. What about these two? Okay, these are also color compounds, but due to unpaired of electrons. Okay, Fe +3 here. Why? Because OH -3. So in FeOH taken thrice, what is the oxidation state of iron? X. 3. How many OH here? 3 OH. Each one carries -1 charge. Then why? Because OH minus. So X equals to +3. Fe +3. Brown in color here. Fe +3. So due to unpaired of electron only. Fe +3 means Fe +3. Here also chromium +3, which is in violet color. Chromium +3 are clearly violet in color. And Fe +3 here. This is argon 4s2, 3d6, iron 26. Remove 3 electrons, 2 here, 1 here, 3d5. 3d5 means how many electrons are in 3d5 here? 3d 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. So unpaired electrons are possible. Unpaired electrons causes for color, not charge transformation. These two are also exhibit colors, but what is the reason to exhibit color property here? Due to presence of unpaired electrons. But in the above two compounds, what is the main factor to show the color? Due to charge transfer spectra. Is it clear, ma? So now which one is correct option here? These two are the correct one. A and B. Which of the following ions are colorless and why? Option A, Cu plus 2, Zn plus 2, option A. Option B, cadmium plus 2, option C, Ag plus, option D, Cu plus, option E, Au plus Rm, okay, option F, all. So which of the following ions are colorless and why? So option F is correct one. All are colorless due to fulfilled d orbitals. So they are colorless. Here example, Zn plus 2. Clear? Zinc atomic, what is the atomic number of zinc? 30. Its electronic configuration, argon 4s0 3d10. Zn plus 2 means remove 2 electrons. Zn plus 2 means argon 4s0 3d10. So 3d10 means it has completely fulfilled d orbitals. Am I right? There is 10 electrons in 3d. Okay, fulfilled d orbitals. That means colorless. Clear? So the same phenomena also takes place here also. Okay, so all are correct. These are all colorless. Why? Due to empty d orbitals or completely fulfilled d orbitals. Completely fulfilled d orbitals. And next see 13th one. Which of the following ions are colorless, colored, and why? Option A, Mn plus 7, option B, Cr plus 6, option C, scandium plus 3, option D, titanium plus 4. Titanium plus 4. Okay. So Mn plus 7 and Cr plus 6, scandium plus 3, titanium plus 4. Which are colored ion and why? Scandium plus 3 and titanium plus 4 is colorless. Colorless. Clear? Why? Scandium plus 3. Scandium, what is the atomic number? 21. That means argon 4s2 3d1. Am I right? Scandium plus 3 means argon 4s0 3d0. Empty d orbital is possible. Empty d orbitals are present here. So colorless. Titanium plus 4. What about this one? Titanium plus 4. What is the electronic configuration of titanium? Titanium atomic number is 22. Okay. And its electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d2. Okay. Titanium plus 4 means remove 4 electrons here. Then 4s0 3d0. Clear ma? So empty d orbital is here. Empty d orbitals. Clear? So what about this one? Colorless ion. Clear? Colorless. What about Mn plus 7 here? Manganese, its atomic number is 25. Clear? And its electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d5. So Mn plus 7 means remove 7 electron, then 4s0 and 3d0. Empty d orbitals. empty d orbitals. I think you are expecting colorless, am I right? But it exhibit colors in their compounds like KMnO4, okay? But it exhibit color in KMnO4 due to charge transformation. Okay, so this is colored due to charge transformation. Same phenomena also happened in chromium plus 6. These two are the answers. Okay. So chromium plus 6 exhibit colors in K2Cr2 O7 potassium O7 due to charge transformation. These two are the answers. Okay. And why? That is the reason. Next, among scandium plus 3, titanium plus 4, Cu plus 2, aqueous and Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3. Which ions does not gives colored compound? Colored compounds. So here given some ions which does not form colored compound. Okay. So option A here scandium plus 3 and titanium plus 4, and option B Cu plus 2 and Fe plus 2, and option C Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3, and option D all. So which pair does not form colored compounds here? Scandium plus 3 and titanium plus 4. This is why, because absence of unpaired d electrons in scandium plus 3 and titanium. So the way of questions rising here in this pattern. Okay. Among which group ions does not form colored ions, colored compounds? Here one is Cu plus 1 and second one is Zn plus 2 and third one is scandium plus 3 and D is Cu plus 2 aqueous. Cu plus 2 aqueous. Now option A, these are the given ions. Option A Cu plus 1, option A 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is 4, not D here. 4, okay, and option B 1 and 2, option C 2 and 3, okay, and option D 4 only. So which one is correct one? So among which group ions does not form colored compounds? Okay, so here this is this option A 1, 2, 3 does not form colored ion. Why? Because absence of unpaired of electrons. 1 and 2 does not form. This is also correct one. 2 and 3. This is also correct. And option 4. Yes. This is the, these three are. It can form colored compound. It gives color compound. Cu plus 2. That means fourth option. But which does not form means these three are the correct one. 1, 2, 3 does not form. 1, 2 also does not form. And 2 and 3 also does not form. Why? Due to absence of unpaired d electrons. Unpaired d electrons. Clear, Mapsu? And next one. Which pair of ions are colorless? Option A, scandium plus 3 and titanium plus 4. Option B, Cu plus 2 aqueous and Fe plus 2. Option C, cobalt plus 3 and cobalt plus 2. Option D, Mn plus 2 and Ni plus 2. So which pair of ions are colorless here? Option A is correct one. This is colorless ion. These are all colored due to presence of unpaired d electrons. But here absence of unpaired d electron. This is the answer. Colorless. Okay. These are all color. This is colorless. Okay. And next. Which pair of ions are colored? Option A, Au plus and Cd plus 2. Option B, Zn plus 2 and Cu plus. Option C, Ag plus and titanium plus 4. Option D, Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3. So which pair of ions are colored ions? Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3. This is the answer. One check it, the concept. Okay. The presence of unpaired electron due to presence of unpaired electrons. Clear map to everyone? Okay students, again we will meet on tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.